It is 8:05 a.m. Thursday morning, March 16th, 2023. We're aboard VRL train number 2, the Canadian, headed from Vancouver to Toronto, Canada. We are now east of Sioux Lookout, Ontario, pretty much on time on the Canadian National Railway. And I'm about to have breakfast in our dining car, Louise.
Ladies first.
I just like oatmeal and cranberry juice. And rye toast.
With rye toast? Okay, any yogurt or anything like that?
I had a little break between work and COVID and everything. Are you done?
I'll try the pancakes with sausages.
Any juice for you?
Such interesting people.
I showed the lady a picture of you with a rusty nail at the Fort Garry.
I bet she was jealous.
No, we're definitely in lake country. I've already seen a number of lakes.
I think broken a couple of glass ceilings in our
Welcome back, or I guess you get back.
Yes.
Good to
How are
see
you?
you again.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, exactly. It's like a centimeter talker, you know, the ones.
The sink in my little roomette is not flowing. I imagine it's probably frozen. The drain, I should say.